Basically, it's corn flour food. Wow. Hello, brothers, sisters. Here are Kodo. So I'm still in Togo, yeah? And over here is called Yokwe. It's a few miles away from Lomé. So today I'm bringing you one local food they have over here in Togo, in the southern part of Togo. And this food is called Dzenkple. This food actually looks the same or similar, the one you have in Ghana, Volta region. In Ghana, the corn flour is being roasted, whilst Togo is not. So if you want to see the Dzenkple from Ghana, Volta region, check in the description box and see the video for yourself. Because as you know, the southern part of Togo and Volta region of Ghana is actually the same because they speak the same language, which is Ewe. But over here, the preparation they prepare this food called Dzenkple is different and the taste as well. But the ingredients and the name is the same. So we serve just Dzenkple with chicken, okay? And the stock of the chicken was also used to prepare the Dzenkple. So you can imagine the aroma that gives the Dzenkple. So let me take you through how they prepare this Togo Dzenkple and see for yourself. For Shizzle Manezo. If today is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. It's about time we showcase our own African food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Let's do this, Rokodo. So today's program is sponsored by TapTapSend. So TapTapSend is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Europe and Canada or America to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So not only Ghanaians can benefit from this app. If you're a Nigerian, if you're from Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Kenya, Uganda, Togo, Benin, this app is here for you. It's free and reliable. You don't pay anything, no commission, and the exchange rate is also high. As soon as you send the space of 20 seconds to 1 minute, your money should be in Africa. So use the promo code Sindaco, okay, and get yourself £5 or €5 or $10 in your first transaction when you send money back home to your loved ones. So just go to Apple Store or Google Play and download TapTapSend. It's very simple and easy. You only tap and you send, and your family back home will be happy receiving the money. Yeah, so we have our chicken over here, and we're about to prepare. What do you call it? Dzenkple? Dzenkple. Okay, so Dzenkple, and we use the chicken for it. So this was a live one. We just slaughtered it, and I'll take off the feathers. You just dip inside the hot boiling water to take off the feathers. That's what she's doing. We have some shallot onion and some ginger and garlic. So we are seasoning we are steaming our chicken, and we added some spice to it. So garlic, ginger, onion. So this is our chicken, and it's okay now. Okay. It's been on fire like almost for 20 minutes. The seasoning. We're adding our pepper and ginger inside the stock, chicken stock. And that's what we use for the Dzenkple. We're adding tomatoes to the stock. So we just change the pot. Okay. So chicken stock, pepper, ginger, and tomatoes. So as I said earlier, the preparation of this Dzenkple is way too different from the one we have in Volta region. But anyway, we West Africans, our food are the same, but it's only the steps that changes. So this food also served with chili pepper, which is green pepper. So they'll make a green sauce. That's why we are grinding this green pepper. And a coconut oil is also being added to the chicken stock with the tomatoes. Salt being added, and we fetch some aside, and now we add in our corn flour. Okay, so this corn flour is not roasted, unlike the one in Ghana, which is toasted or roasted. Okay, the cornmeal. Yeah, this is different. This is normal corn flour. Okay, so it goes in like that, and we start to stir. Man, amazing recipe, and man, you have to try this. Okay, if you've not tried the one in Ghana, try the one in Togo. So oil being added again, and it's about stirring. Okay, so we stir, we cover it for the heat to cook it. Since it's corn flour, the heat to cook it, and we come back again and we continue stirring. And one thing I noticed over here in Togo is that the cooking is very like they cook everything like on a moderate heat, not on fire for a long time. In a space of 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, the food is ready. Everything is being done fast, like northern region. They don't let the food be on fire for a very long time. You know, when the food is on fire for a long time, it's neutralized all the nutrients inside. Okay, so over here, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, the food is ready. Yeah, record.
You never buy my corner way.
That's how they
You never do not put
So now that we're done with the Dzenkple, it's about time we stir fry our pepper, okay? So this is just like making a rough shit or kind of, yeah? Just adding heat to the pepper, okay? So green pepper was grinded with salt, okay? So coconut oil being added to the pot. We add in our green pepper and it goes on fire. Very easy and quick. We add in our onion. Within 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes maximum, we stir frying. This is just only to give heat to the pepper. That's it. Nothing extraordinary. Okay, really simple recipe that you can try any time of the day. And man, it is what it is. It's about to serve. Okay, so you have our chicken and it goes to the Dzenkple and the green pepper. Man, amazing recipe from Togo. This is Togo Dzenkple. Alright, Kodo. Let's take a bite, man. It is what it is. So, Dzenkple. Basically, it's corn flour food. Wow, man, the coconut oil, the flavor. Wow, man, this is delicious. Amazing. Amazing. Dzenkple tastes different from the one I tried the other day in Water Region. This is way different. So this is the Togo version of the Dzenkple. Wow. The chicken. Avocado, man. It's amazing. So delicious. Very delicious. So delicious, man. Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Togo Diaries, Togo Dzenkple. And man, very easy recipe. I hope you can watch and prepare your own Dzenkple at home. And man, enjoy yourself with the family. So if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you share the video and also check the other videos that I've done. Interesting video that you love it. Let's meet again on the next one from Togo. And man, it is what it is. I'm out.
The mess rules. So me person me this tika koma ma dofo and I'm a bushing for ewa Ghana. Me the for tap sing.
Everyone ye deny.
This is here because tap and the best so far.
I don't see some yes and this car coffee na a tap.
Tap send will be around down the up now. But cannot not send for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured never had any.
Tap sing and no one abuche for you na ya jia too. Tap sing. Papa no.